Harmeet, if you could tell me what stage these retail companies are who are approaching to you for a retail software intervention in their business.
Gaurang, we have seen companies come to us in various stages. If the company is being managed by a consultant, then the consultants try and approach us in a very seed stage or a startup stage, because that is ideal stage when they create their own masters and inventories and everything has been taken care of in the very first stage. We have seen companies that come to us during the operational phases where they use a software but that is not giving them the right outputs. So for the right kind of retail management, they come to us, whether they're in the operational stage or even in the scale up stage. We have seen companies who are using typical accounting softwares, but they're not getting the right insights to grow. The functionality of the software is not what should take them to a new level. So we have seen people switching to our Peddle Plus software, and that is the stage that we find that we are really helpful to them. Having said that, we have customers coming to us in all the stages, whether it is a seed stage, it's a scale up stage, it's an operation stage, and we are gladly we welcome them in the open arms. So we help them in all the stages.